Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cultural understanding with Lingoda, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding cultural nuances is crucial in today's globalized world. Lingoda offers a unique platform to enhance cultural understanding through language learning. Begin by creating an account on Lingoda's website. Explore the wide range of language courses available. Select a language that interests you or is relevant to your personal or professional goals. Once enrolled, familiarize yourself with the course schedule and format. Attend live classes to interact with native-speaking instructors. Engage actively in discussions to deepen your understanding of cultural context. Utilize Lingoda's resources, such as articles and videos, that focus on cultural topics. Participate in language immersion events that Lingoda frequently offers. Connect with fellow students from different backgrounds. Share experiences and learn about their cultural perspectives. Incorporate what you learn into your daily life. Practice using culturally appropriate phrases and expressions. Seek feedback from instructors to improve your understanding. Take advantage of Lingoda's customer support for additional resources. Regularly assess your progress to ensure continuous improvement. Celebrate milestones in your language and cultural journey. Remember, patience and consistency are key to mastering both language and culture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.